Hello, amazing people. You welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be looking at something bigger that is shaking up Ghana's financial space. The Bank of Ghana has suspended 5 major money transfer companies from operating. Now, this is raising so many controversies and questions. But many people are asking, why were they suspended? And what does it mean for the remittance industry? And more importantly, how is this going to affect you and me as ordinary Ghanaians? Stay tuned because I am here to break it down in the simplest way for you to understand. So let's start with the basics, which is remittances. When we say remittances, it simply means money people living abroad sends back to Ghana to their families. And these monies, play a major role in Ghana's economy. In fact, billions of dollars flow into Ghana every year through money transfer services like Western Union, RIA, MoneyGram, and smaller operators. For many families, these transfers are not just extra cash, they are lifelines, paying for school fees, rent, food, even small businesses. So when the Bank of Ghana finally gave an announcement that 5 major companies has been suspended, it definitely shook confidence. According to the central bank, these companies had breached key rules and regulations. In plain language, it means they were not following the proper standard required to operate in the financial sector or system. Now, I'm going to give you the reasons and explain it in a simple way for you to understand. So reasons why these companies were shut down or, suspended. Some operators were reportedly running without proper or updated licenses, just like a driver driving without a license, You can't operate a money transfer business without proper clearance. The second one is regulatory compliances. The Bank of Ghana has strict rules to prevent money laundering, fraud, and illegal forex trading. If a company isn't following these rules, they risk suspension. The third one is consumer protection. Sometimes companies charge hidden fees, delay payment, or operate in ways that cheat the consumer. The central bank's job is to step in and protect you and me from being exploited. And the last one is stability of the financial system. Money transfer companies deal with billions of cedis every year. If one of them mismanage funds, it can destabilize the economy. The suspension acts as a warning to others to stay in check and in line. The big questions: how does this affect Ghanaians or people living in Ghana? Yes, if you rely on money from abroad, this may mean delays or fewer options for receiving cash. Fees might increase temporarily because with fewer operators, competition reduces. On the flip side, it also means that greater safety. The Bank of Ghana wants to make sure your money isn't lost to scams or illegal transactions, which is brilliant. This suspension also sends a big message to the financial sector. Ghana is taking compliance serious. It tells both international and local operators that if you want to play in this space, you must follow the rules. And the good news is that this suspension is